Now blazing to the finish line, ladies and gentlemen, leaving Go for Gold and Philippine Navy Standard Insurance riders in his wake, Marcelo Felipe has finally stamped his authority on the national individual road race. After 5 grueling hours in his ultra-distance showdown, history has been made. Victoria Sports Pro Cycling Top Gun and Llanera Nueva Ecija pride Marcelo Felipe has ended Jonal Carcueva's 3-year reign, claiming the prestigious National Road Race Championship. Felipe dominated the 215-kilometer battle on the road, clocking an impressive 5 hours, 2 minutes and 25 seconds with a commanding lead of 2 to 4 minutes. He outpaced his closest challengers Jericho Lucero and Jeremy Lizardo to cement his legacy in Philippine cycling. Felipe, Lucero at Lizardo ang nagwagi ngayon, dislodging Jonal Carcueva. So nagkalat po mga kaibigan ng mga cycling fans dito. First ever Marcelo Felipe broke the spell of Jonal Carcueva. Of course, ito in succession ang domination ng Victoria Sports both in the under 23 and the elite. Okay, kapit po si Rush Kamingaw, kung inyong matatandaan, Rush Kamingaw kahapon. Ngayon, Felipe, Victoria is gaining traction in Philippine cycling. Malaki po ang victory ngayon. Very victorious po ngayon ang ang Victoria Sports. Idol, kumusta? Kumusta ang laban? Mukhang yung pangarap mong manalo kay Carcueva, eto na finally, 2022. Yung 2022, di ba natanda mo yun? Oo. So, kumusta? Kumusta ang naging laban?
Medyo...
Hard battle ba? Hard battle?
Hard battle? Hard kasi pare-pares kami nagkakaroon na sarap, pero sabi ni Lucero, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Ang laki ng agot, kundi kayo Lucero, no?
Exactly po.
At given also that under 23 and elite dominated individual road race by Victoria Sports. Tama ba? Kahapon si Rush Kamingaw. Ngayon, Marcelo Felipe. Ilang taon na ba si Marcelo Felipe ngayon? At talagang very combative rider pa rin ng Victoria Sports.
Batang-bata pa lang, 35 pa lang.
Ay, oh! Ito by the way, ito marami na experience to abroad. Talagang nahubog na to sa intercontinental races abroad. At kumusta naman? Kumusta matulog? Maganda matulog sapagkat ang ganda ng performance mo ngayon?
Maganda kasi pinagandaan kasi sobrang haba ng stage, so kailangan ng magandang pahinga.
So final 2, dito ko humiwalay, no? Sa final 2 laps, tama ba?
Yan lang.
Yan nga lang, di ba?
1 kilometer. Dahil nagporsigin na rin kaming tatlo kasi pare-pares na rin kami.
Naging 4, tapos naging 8. Then and the rest is history. He won the Pilipinas 2020 race.